Hi everyone, my name is Nicole. Today I'm going to give you an introduction to PHP. PHP is a recursive acronym for PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. So it's actually a server-side web language. So it uses embedded script in HTML. It works well with HTML that send the request from the client machine to the host website and then processes the script before returning back to the client machine. So basically, what can PHP do for you? So first, it generates dynamic page content. Means it connects to the database and retrieves data from the database. So it creates, opens, read, write, delete, and close files on the server. So you can actually remote access to do all these commands. And it collects form data. So for example, a user fill up a membership form and to subscribe as a member. So they fill up the form, their names, a particular, the credential, and so forth. When they hit the submit button, it will go into the database. So it collects the data from the user through a form and then to save it into the database, for example. So it sends and receives cookies. So cookies used to identify user. Just imagine you log on to a Facebook or any web services, all right, and then they use the cookie to identify you as the user of the web service. And also we retrieve your preferences or whatsoever to the web provider. You can add and delete and modify data in your database. It's very easy to work with database when it comes to PHP. You usually work with PHP MyAdmin. And it controls user access. You can control who can access which pages and up to which level that particular user can access, whether it's a master user can access all the information or it's just part of the information. And it helps encrypt data with the password. So the main question here is, why introduce PHP? Why PHP? Because PHP can run on various platforms. Various platforms here includes Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, and etc. So it also compatible with almost all servers used today, such as Apache. It supports a wide range of databases. And most importantly, it's open source. It's free. You can download from www.php.net, the official site for PHP. So, well, another point, why should you use PHP is it's easy to learn and it runs efficiently on the server side. So as to compare with the similar languages, so PHP can be more efficient. It can be 382% faster than Python, 378% faster than Perl, 195% faster than Ruby, according to Atlas Web Developer. So enough talking about the introduction. Let's take a look of how we can apply PHP in applications. First, user authentications. You can either create a simple username password for validation so that the user can go into the system or the web service, or it can make it more complex, the two-step verification where after the user login, they need a secure password which you can get the password from the mobile phone or email address. So it can do simple or complex verification. Besides, This is a server-side backend code. No matter what languages you build with in the front end, and actually PHP works well with these languages and it retrieves data from the backend server. So no matter what you do in the front end, backend still operating. So another point is database is made easy. So because there are long lists of supported databases here included MySQL, PostgreSQL, Berkeley DB, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, SQLite, and other databases. So security also wouldn't be an issue because PHP implements secure SQL. Let's talk about more real-time applications. So imagine the chats, the monitoring system, the whiteboard where you ask them to do something automatically online. For example, you harvest email or do more things online, or maybe order food online, like such as Domino. You can actually order Domino through Facebook app. All right. So all these chatbots, social networks, your Facebook, Twitters, or whatever social network you could think of is made possible with PHP. And online games that you like to play with friends and etc. Twitter, Uber, Instagram. Okay, you can check online, tracking your puzzle, and online shopping cart, Shopify, or note-taking software, Evernote, and so forth. All these are real-time applications, and PHP made it possible. Another good news of using PHP is the most famous CMS, which is the WordPress theme and the plugins. They are all written in PHP. So you name it, wherever popular plugins such as Yoast SEO, Contact Form 7, Akismat, W3 Total Cache, Smart Image Compression, Google XML Sitemaps, WordFence, Next Gen Gallery. So all these are written in PHP. So besides, REST and web services are supported. REST means that the dynamic website exchange data with the human users, means that when someone fill up a form, just imagine, and then the web services will communicate with other systems and to retrieve data from that. For examples, weather forecasts. For example, weather forecast. You will notice there are many websites you will have the same weather forecast figure and number because they all come from the same source. And all these different web services are communicating with that particular source. All right. So that is an introduction to PHP. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on my icon to subscribe and hit a like for this video. See ya.